In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause Snapchat Ads campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Ads Manager, how to find the right campaign, and how to pause it safely without affecting the rest of your account. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Snapchat Ads. This helps you land on the official Ads Manager even if you don't remember the exact URL. Look for the result that clearly indicates Snapchat's official advertising platform, not a third-party site or a general help article. Click that official link to continue. On the landing page, select Log In. If you manage multiple Snapchat accounts, make sure you use the account tied to your business ads. You may be prompted for two-factor authentication. That's normal. Once you're in, you'll be taken to Snapchat's advertising dashboard. Next, go to the top left corner and open the business menu. From there, choose Manage Ads. This takes you straight into Ads Manager, where you can control campaigns, ad sets, and individual ads. If you don't see the option right away, expand the menu and look for anything labeled Ads Manager or Manage Ads. Once you're in Ads Manager, confirm you're on the Campaigns tab. Pausing at the campaign level is the fastest way to stop all associated ad sets and ads at once. If you only need to pause a specific segment, you can switch to the Ad Sets or Ads tab instead. But for now, we'll stay at the campaign level. Think of it like a hierarchy: campaigns at the top, ad sets in the middle, and ads at the bottom. Locate the campaign you want to stop. You can scan the list, use the search bar, or apply filters such as delivery status or date range to narrow things down. Double-check the account and the time window you're viewing to make sure the campaign you see is the correct one. When you've found it, look for the status toggle next to the campaign name. Click the toggle so it switches from blue or green to gray. This action pauses the campaign. Pausing stops delivery and spend for that campaign, but it doesn't delete anything. Your settings, budgets, and reporting remain intact, and you can resume later if needed. A confirmation message will appear at the bottom of the screen letting you know the campaign is paused. For extra reassurance, confirm that the status column shows paused. If it doesn't update immediately, give it a moment or refresh the page. That's it. Your campaign is now paused and won't serve until you toggle it back on.